All right, this is my review of the Organic Imagine vegetarian no chicken broth. First of all, my name is Matthew Paul, and I help Amazon customers like you make quick, informed buying decisions on products I have first-hand experience with. So I don't, and my family also, we really don't cook with oil. We don't like cooking with oil. We're specifically vegetarian, but straight up, this broth is good regardless. I've used a lot of different vegetable broths. The reason that we really like Organic Imagine is because it's the no chicken broth. It just gives you more of a flavor. It's not dense, but there's more to it. It's a more complex flavor that you get when you're cooking things like vegetables or even some of the like vegan, vegan meat companies or vegan proteins or tofu. It just adds more flavor and complexity to whatever you're cooking. And so we love these. You can get them in low sodium or regular, but if I use these in soups, and I also use them because I don't cook in oil. So I use them in like nonstick pans and use it in place of oil. So these work really well for that. And like I said, you've got the low sodium. If you are somebody who's watching their sodium, you've got that as well. Um, Straight up, I've tried tons of broths from pretty much every grocery store, from Safeway to Kroger brands to Whole Foods. This is our family's favorite vegetarian broth, and we highly recommend you trying it out for your family. Oh, also, it is gluten free.